Hello everybody! In this video we will talk about music. Where did I used to get it and what am I getting the music from now? I'm so excited to share this with you because I just purchased a new subscription in this new platform and I'm so happy that I decided to make this video here, walking around Trieste, Italy. Now, when I started in the world of YouTube, and actually it was with my travel channel, I'm gonna leave you the link somewhere here, I started looking for music in YouTube. Actually, it's very easy. There's two ways to do it. One of them is the riskier one, and it's very easy. You just go to the search icon and put like music free of copyright, and that's it. But why did I say that is the riskier way? Actually, if the guy that is the owner of the channel or the owner of the music decides to close the channel or to charge for the music, you're screwed. There's nothing you can do. There's no licenses that you got or anything, just the word of the guy saying that this is for free. So then imagine if you already have videos in YouTube with a lot of views. You don't want that. The second way with YouTube is also very easy. You just go to YouTube Studio and there you will find a library. Actually, YouTube has a very big library of music and sound effects, and they're very easy to find because they are using also filters that help you to find the music faster. So you can use that also. Now, free music is good. Why? Because it's free. But the problem with free is that many people are using it. So you're gonna find them in many YouTube channels. And also it's not like from the best quality. So that's why I decided to start to pay for platforms, subscriptions that actually make my videos improve a lot. And I used few of them before I found the one that I think is the best for me. But before we talk about it, let's talk about a couple of the platforms that I used before. And let's start with Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound is one of the most popular platforms right now. They have music, they have sound effects, they are very high quality. And in that time, I had just one channel and the prices were very affordable. I love the quality of the music. I'm repeating that again because it's really good quality. But then I decided to open a second channel and then I decided to switch. So then I decided to switch to MusicBed. The quality of MusicBed is very good. It's actually very similar than Epidemic Sound. They don't have sound effects, but that's not a big problem for me. But then I switched because of the price. Like I said before, I'm talking about before, the price was cheaper than Epidemic Sound. But now the price has changed. Epidemic Sound now is actually cheaper than MusicBed. MusicBed got crazy. They're charging like $250 a year. That's a lot. And you know what? Let me tell you this. Every subscription that you have with any of these platforms is just for one YouTube channel, one Facebook, one Instagram. If you have two YouTube channels, you will have to pay double. And then if you have a project or a wedding, or maybe you have a gig, you know, somebody hired you, they want advertising or something, you will have to pay extra. So that was horrible until I found this platform. Everything has a solution in life, they said. And I'm gonna share it with you now.
I wanna see love make a comeback. I wanna feel hope when it runs out. I wanna see everybody joining in until kindness wins again.
So I found a platform last year with such a good deal that I couldn't believe it. I was very skeptical until I purchased it a couple of months ago. This platform is called AUDIIO, and for one payment, and listen to this, for one payment you can use all their music and you will never have to pay again. It's a lifetime subscription. I still cannot believe it. A lifetime subscription. You have music and sound effects. They're adding music every week, and I'm talking about hundreds of songs every month. You have a lifetime subscription for music and a lifetime subscription for sound effects. You have also both combined in a monthly subscription that is actually a much better price than the competition. Now, here's the best part. With one subscription, pay attention, just with one subscription, you can use the music in all your YouTube channels, all of them. Also Facebook, Instagram, and even for clients. So you don't have to pay anything extra. If you have a wedding, maybe you have shorts or TikToks, or maybe you wanna do some personal projects or even advertising. Just with one payment, one subscription covers all. Also, it is very easy to use. You can browse and you can look for your music with a lot of filters to make it easier to find your songs. And then if you like a song, you just create a license for the project and download the song. As simple as that. If you want to use the same song for another project, you just create a new license and that's it. Now, AUDIIO is giving you a discount of 50% off for the first year subscription of the combined one. So you have music and sound effects. And that makes the price for like $100 for 1 year. That's like $8 a month. Come on. But if you just want the music lifetime subscription, I will leave you a link in the description with the coupon so that you can get 10% discount for that one as well. Remember, it's just one payment and then you are all set forever. I will also leave you a coupon in the description with another discount, this time for the audio effects. Lifetime subscription, always lifetime subscription. If you are not as excited as me, it's because maybe you don't understand what lifetime means. In 50 years, you will be still using this subscription. Just to make this clear, all of these links and coupons below are affiliate links. So if you click in them and get the subscriptions, AUDIIO will give me a small commission and you will pay less, so everybody is happy. And just to let you know, I am really happy with this product and that is why I'm recommending it. And I'm not sure when exactly these promotions are going to end, so if I will be you, I will be taking this opportunity right now. I already did it. Okay guys, I will leave you the links and coupons down below. Enjoy AUDIIO and let me know in the comments what do you think about it. I wish I had AUDIIO when I started. Until next time.